with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and I thought you would really appreciate this. I know we're all going stir crazy and it's just taking a toll on everybody's to be stuck at home, and we're running out of things that we can do and ideas and stuff like that. So it's always fun to have some new ideas, and I was approached by Eggmazing. I checked them out and their products seem really cool, so I thought that you would probably enjoy seeing what they offer, especially with Easter coming along. Even if you're not necessarily close to your little ones right now, there still could be a lot of stuff. Oh, check out all the stuff. Oh my god. So these might be really cool gifts to give to kids in your family, and not only for kids but for yourself as well. And what's really cool is that they've provided these eggs, which I love, because this way I don't have to use real eggs. Let's just be honest, right now food is something you want to keep. Anyway, what I would have done if I was using a real egg is to do what I used to do when I was a little kid, which is you poke a hole at the top, poke a hole at the bottom, and you blow through with a straw at the top, so the egg actually comes out at the bottom, and then you can just have it dry, and then you can use it to decorate it. But this is even more cool. So there's 2 kits. Check that out. And they say it's for age 3 and up. So for use with large or extra large egg, for use with grade A large or extra large eggs. They require some batteries, which they've kindly provided me. So let's check that out. I'm not going to do the actual making of this because I want to keep some happy time for me for this weekend, but I still want you guys to see what's included in the kit so that you have a better idea. I will be putting down in the description box below the actual link to their website, and I also saw that Amazon has their product, so I will be putting down as well the link to the Amazon shop, because this might be something that you can actually send out, like I said, to grandkids, or to yourself, because if you're like me, you're a big kid at heart, and then you can actually play with these. So these are the steps. So it doesn't seem to be too difficult. So you place the hard-boiled large or extra large egg in the opening, and then you turn it on and remove the lid or cap of the marker, and then you put it on the spinning egg. So there's this design, which is a cute little rabbit, and it comes with 8 markers, so they're really cool. You know me and markers, I just have to try them, because of course once you finish egg decorating, you can always use the markers for something else, right? That's what I would do. Check out the colors. They're really vibrant, which is really cool, because obviously we're talking Easter, but I think this is just a fun project. And a way to keep us busy right now. I'm thinking for decorating the house as well, because you know, sometimes you want to decorate for Easter, and this way you could actually decorate it the way you want, with the colors you want, and then you could put the eggs that you decorate into a basket, and that would be really cool. One thing too, which I thought of doing, but obviously I don't need to anymore because they provided some eggs. But I thought, you know, like at the dollar store you have the plastic ones that you can actually take apart. Well, if you did the put some gesso on the plastic to make sure that your markers are sticking to it, because I'm not sure that it would stick on regular plastic, but you could decorate it this way too. So I guess that's how it's gonna work. So let's open up the other one. And then this weekend, you can be sure that I'll be playing with these and sharing with you my experience on them. And check out the beautiful eggs here. So like I said, it's a beautiful way to decorate. And I have in my house one of those candle holders. Whoops. One of those candle holders that has at the top there's a votive, but the bottom part is clear glass and you can put whatever you want in it. And so putting decorated eggs in it would be really, really cool. So that's probably what's going to happen with these eggs, because I don't have the little kids anymore. So playing with these is going to be for my own self, because I'm a big kid at heart. So this is the other design. Check that out. They're both really cute. Really pretty. I didn't take the other one out of the box. Let me pull it out. Let me pull this one out if I can. Oh yeah. So here we go. So it's quite sturdy. Very easy to put the batteries in, because sometimes it's hard to do. But that is very, very cool. Very cool. So like I said, this would be a great idea if you want to do your own decoration for Easter. And this way you can do whichever color you want. So I hope that you've enjoyed this little unboxing, which is a bit different than my typical videos, but you know, we need to have some different ideas and stuff. So I can't wait to play with these, and I'm looking forward to reading your comments and to knowing if you've used this before, or if it's something new that you don't know about. And like I said, I will be putting down in the description box below the link to the product so you can actually find them. And as mentioned, I saw that they had some on Amazon, so that's really awesome, because you can have it delivered everywhere, and you can have it delivered in time for Easter, obviously, because these days you can't travel anywhere, so there's no going anywhere. But this is really cool, because this is a gift that is creative and doesn't involve rotten teeth, because otherwise, you know, used to give a lot of chocolates and stuff like that, but then it's not good for the teeth, and not every parent like that either. So yeah, but it could be your Easter gift as well, so that you can play with. So that's it for now. Bye everyone. I forgot to mention something which I think is really, really important as well, and usually I mention this, and I'm sorry that I forgot to mention it. This is a product from Texas. So it was made by Scott Udashell, and he began it in the Easter 2015. And so I think it's super important if you can encourage companies that are based. It's made in Vietnam, but it's from a US inventor based in Texas. So definitely something that you want to encourage, because you want to encourage people in the US, and so that they continue making amazing products. And yeah, so just wanted to mention that, because of the fact that we forget who made it, you know, makes stuff. And you know, sometimes you're thinking it's really big companies, but this to me is a company that seems to be growing, and I think it's a good idea if you can you know, encourage them. So that was my last little bit. Bye.